Hello everyone, welcome back to Happy Kids Happiest. I hope you all are doing good. After a long time, I'm posting a homeschooling video which will include 15 worksheets for the kids of age between 4 to 5. But before getting started, I would like to tell you that I am a mother of two kids, 2.5-year-old girl Pearl and my son is 5 years old, Yonit. And here in this channel, I post a number of homeschooling, parenting videos and also about our daily lives, our daily vlogs. And also don't forget to check out this whole playlist of parenting and homeschooling where there are a number of videos where you can get free homeschooling stuff, some parenting tips, some crafts for kids and much more. And also all the videos are applicable for kids of age 2 to 5. So if you're a parent of kids aged between 2 to 5, then you should subscribe this channel. You will get a lot of benefits here, a lot of homeschooling, parenting tips, and it will be beneficial for you as well as for your child. So subscribe it now and let's get started. So this is the first worksheet. This is to write number according to shape drawn and add them. Here I have made different shapes and assigned a number to each shape, then randomly drawn two shapes and asked Yonit to add accordingly to the shape's particular number. Simple addition and recognizing the number of the shape. These two things are in this one worksheet. Next worksheet is to teach the kids about one and many. That if a particular thing is more than one, then we should add s behind that word. For example, one is ball, and if it is more than one, then add s behind it and it will become balls, and same for the others. The next one is in which I have drawn different things in different numbers, and here Yonit had to match that this particular thing is one or many. In this way they will also learn how to read one and many. In this next worksheet, I have written random words and Yonit had to circle the words that starts with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. This worksheet is very helpful in learning vowels. Like this is apple, circle, moon. In this whole line, he will circle apple only because it starts with A, and in the same way the others. Next is a very simple worksheet, yet it is a fun for kids, where I have drawn a square with 4 lines and in different squares different lines are missing. Yonit had to complete these pictures by drawing the lines. Next one is this maths worksheet where I have written some numbers randomly and asked Yonit to complete its number line with next 4 numbers. You can even give a bigger number line to the kids. Now in this next worksheet, in the oval shapes, I have written different addition facts and in square shapes, I have written its answer. Here, Yonit had to add these addition facts and color the right ones. For example, in this first row, Yonit had added all these addition facts but colored only these 3 because its answer is 9 and others the same way. Now this worksheet is very useful if we are teaching kids about place values of tens and ones. They have to match it with its correct answer. For example, 2 tens and 4 ones is 24. They have to match 24. 5 tens and 6 ones is 56. They have to match it like this, and same with the other ones. In this one, I have drawn pictures and written 2 words in front of every picture, and Yonit had to read and choose correct word and write that correct word below. For example, this is a jug, but I have written 2 words in front of it, jug and mug, but the right answer is jug. So Yonit has read it and then written the right word below it. Next is read the word and write the correct number. It's simple just to read and write down its correct number below. This worksheet is good if you are teaching your child number names. Next is circle the smaller number. Here I've given 2 numbers and Yonit had to circle the smaller number. But you can give a whole number line and then ask your child to circle the smallest number. It all depends upon you how you want to give worksheets to your kids. This whole worksheet is about pattern recognition. Personally, I like these kind of worksheets because pattern recognition is very important for kids' growth. In one box, I have drawn a pattern using dots, and in the other box, I have asked Yonit to draw same pattern using the dots. Now this is if you are teaching your child about time and clock. This is to match the correct time. Here you can draw the time according to your choice and ask your child to match it. This is a good activity or worksheet, you can say, if you are teaching your child about time. Now again, this is a nice worksheet where the child has to be alert. I've drawn a castle using different shapes and Yonit had to count a particular shape and write its number down here. Sometimes these type of worksheets are tricky for the kids, but again they are brain boosting. Now that's all for today, friends. I hope you liked today's worksheet. So please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe this channel if you have not yet done so, as it is free of cost. So thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one.